going on, guys? Jay that drain guy. We got Logan here. We're going to be looking at this plug toilet. So I'll give that to you, Logan. Alright, so we're going to be running the auger today. It's a rigid auger. Alright, nice easy one. We're hoping that there's not paper towel in there. Awesome. We're going to test it with some paper. Make sure everything flushes properly. Looks like some calcium buildup down there. If you guys are liking this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. And what's a question we should ask them today? If you guys play video games, let us know your favorite video game. Logan's into video games. I'm too busy to be into video games. Look at that sink. Look at that sink. Yummy. Alright, here goes, guys. Alright, we got a good flush there. Alright, guys. This has been Jay that Drain Guy. I want to thank you guys for watching. That's Logan behind the camera. Until next time, Taragna.